Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a comparison video between two foundations. The first one is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation and the second one is the Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation. So I have been testing these foundations for a while now and I have an opinion on both of them. I do enjoy the Maybelline Fit Me foundation a lot because I have a combination skin right now because of my allergies. So I think that this works really good for me. Otherwise, when I have a normal skin type which is oily, I think that this foundation will fare really good for me. So now we are going to talk about the price, the packaging and what the product claims to do. So the Lakme foundation is for 250 rupees and I got it from a local store nearby, and the Maybelline Fit Me foundation is for 525 rupees and you can find it online as well as in almost all cosmetic stores. Also in the Lakme foundation you will get 25 milliliters of product, whereas in the matte and poreless foundation you will get 30 milliliters of product. Both of these foundations are really good for Indian skin tones because they do have a variety of shades which have yellow undertones, which is perfect for Indian skin. Coming to the packaging now, the major con in the Fit Me foundation is this glass bottle with no pump. I think that this is really disappointing because for a product that costs 525 rupees, you do pay for the packaging as well. I mean, you know, this is a lot of wastage of product in my opinion because see, this is so messy. You have product on the cap, you have product on the lid, and this is a lot of wastage. I have traveled with this and it did not spill or break, touch wood, but if you drop it from a height then obviously it will break. Now coming to the Lakme foundation, I was really surprised that this comes with a spatula. Now this is kind of an interesting concept because it is not a pump obviously, but the spatula gives you a lot of hold on how much product you want to apply onto your face. Also if you take extra product then you can wipe it off on the lid itself, and this is a less messier version of the Fit Me foundation. And like I said, when you're paying a certain money for the product, you're paying for the packaging as well. And in this, I would give it double thumbs up because it has a spatula. Since I have the Maybelline Fit Me foundation for a while, I have lost the sticker at the back which has all the description about the product. So I'm just going to read it from the website. So it claims to give a matte and poreless finish and it goes beyond the skin tone. It is good for normal to oily skin for ultimate natural skin fit. While some foundations can exaggerate pores and oily skin, only our pore minimizing foundation contains our genius blurring micro powders that erase pores and absorb oil for a natural matte poreless, okay, blah blah blah. So we understand. So basically it says that it is a good foundation for someone with normal to oily skin. If you have pore issues then it will minimize the pores and it will also absorb all the oil from your face and it will make your makeup long lasting. So coming to the Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation, it claims that it is an invisible finish foundation that offers perfect blending and full coverage for a flawless, almost invisible finish. So basically that this foundation is really good for everyday use. That's what I assume because it is water based and also it is very lightweight, so it doesn't make you feel heavy and it doesn't cake your face up. So both these foundations have different longevity. I think that the Maybelline Fit Me foundation can easily stay on your face till about like 10 to 12 hours. The Lakme foundation, however, it will start to show on your face after let's say 5 hours. So I think 5 hours it's its maximum limit. So after that you will have to either remove it, reapply it, or just wash your face. So on the right side of my face, I'll be applying the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and on my left side, I'll be using the Lakme Invisible Finish foundation. The Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel as my primer today, and I'm just taking a little bit on my finger and I'll be massaging it on my face. This doesn't have a pump, it will get a little messy, so I'm just taking a little bit because we don't want a cake face. And I obviously take a lot. So yeah, I'm just... using a beauty sponge to blend the foundation into my skin and I'm just dabbing it. Face now instantly has an even skin tone. I mean, I really enjoy the coverage that this foundation gives me because it is not full coverage, it is medium coverage, and you know, it is not sticky at all, and it sits on my skin really beautifully, especially now that I'm using a sponge. It is not sticking onto my dry patches, which is an amazing thing. So next we are going to use the Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation, and I'm just here. I remember bachpan mein when aunties used to wear like foundations and they always wore light colored foundation and they looked ridiculous. It was ridiculous. I don't even know what's with the concept of wearing like lighter tone foundations. Just highlighting your whole face. So coming to the Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation, like the name suggests, it is an invisible finish foundation. I mean, you can't really see it. It feels like skin. If you look at this side, then you can see that, you know, it is more even toned, and you know, more of my blemishes are covered, and it just provides more coverage. And this side is like skin. You know, it doesn't give you too much coverage. It gives you normal to medium coverage and looks really natural. So coming to the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, I think that this is a beautiful product for someone who has oily to combination skin. Now it is for 525 rupees. So you know, you can just invest on this one time and you can wear it on special occasions. For example, your birthday or your sister's wedding, or you know, any of those jazzy functions where you want extra coverage. I think this will really be a great investment for those occasions. So if you're someone who's looking for an everyday foundation, then I think you should definitely go for the Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation. The price is very cheap. It's only for 250 rupees. It's very easily available. It has a lot of shades that are for the Indian skin tone, and it also comes with a spatula, which is amazing. So that was my comparison between both the foundations. I hope that you found this helpful. If you have tried these products, let me know. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. All my social media links are in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.